Facts stay sharp, yeah, we never confused. From the streets to the world, get the real, no cap. Breaking headlines, put the truth on the map. Hot. God PCV, we bringing the news. Facts stay sharp, yeah, we never confused. From the streets to the world, get the real, no cap. Breaking headlines, put the truth on the map. Fast with the facts, we don't play no games. Reporting what's real, we ain't chasing fame. Call PCV, stay locked, stay tuned. If you want the real talk, we deliver it soon. Call Peace TV, we bringing the news. Facts stay sharp, yeah, we never confused. From the streets to the world, keep it real, no cap. You're breaking headlines, put the truth on the map. Call Peace TV, we bringing the news. Fast with the facts, we don't play no games. Reporting what's real, we ain't chasing fame. Call Peace TV, stay locked, stay tuned. If you want the real talk, we deliver it soon. Call Peace TV, we bringing the news. Facts stay sharp, yeah, we never confused. From the streets to the world, keep it real, no cap. You're breaking headlines, put the truth on the map. Call Peace TV, we bringing the news. Facts stay sharp, yeah, we never confused. Call Peace TV, stay locked, stay tuned. If you want the real talk, we deliver it soon.
Good morning. Hey, y'all. Hey. Good morning, Trina. Justice for Meeks. Exactly. Today is the day. Yes, Melinda. I am up, getting ready to make this drive, y'all. So y'all got to talk to me while I am getting ready. Who in the building? Who is in here? It's early, I know, but I'm an early bird anyway, so I'll be up. They say 6 counts. Good morning, Bobby. Yes, pink for Meeks. Pink, pink, pink. Good morning, Raymel. Hopefully I said that right. I'm getting ready, y'all. About to make this drive. Got to try to get me a parking spot up close and personal this time. I ain't doing no 2 blocks away. I got to drive some hours, y'all. That's all y'all need to know. Like about 3 to 4 hours, depending on the traffic. Good morning, April. Good morning, Tate Ebony. Good morning, Melinda. I got to drive, y'all. Court is at 9. Court is at 9. Good morning, T-Real. Good morning, Tiffany Divine. Hey, y'all. Y'all is up in here early. I thought I was going to be the only one talking today. Just to give y'all something to listen to until after court. Thank you, Tiffany. Thank you, T-Real. Yes, I am ready, y'all. I'm trying to see what's going down. And that's why I put 6 counts. They say 6 counts, huh? So that's why I put the question mark, because not disputing what nobody's saying or nothing like that, but I think it's 1 count. Like I said over there on Miss D channel, is I believe, because I haven't looked at the paperwork. I'm gonna be honest, I haven't looked at it. I haven't even went over there to Keys to look at it, or nobody else. But I say I wait until I get to court and see what they say in there exactly. But like I said on Miss D panel yesterday, I think that true bill was for what they wrote up for the indictment, due off paperwork, due off the due from the research that I did. Yes, Divine girl. Yes, we appreciate you. I remember you told me that. Based off the research I did, I think that's the paperwork that they wrote up for the indictment in order to get her indicted. And then once I dropped down off of D panel, Upper came on and she explained that those are the attachments that they put on to the first degree that she has. So I think it's one count with the 6 attachments onto it. Y'all get what I'm saying? Yeah. And that's what I said over there on Miss D. They did that to see what, because it's either way it go, they was gonna get a first degree with all them 6 counts on there. You get what I'm saying? And everybody was asking why they didn't charge her with child endangerment, this and that third. If y'all was over there, y'all heard me when I said, why would they go for something lesser? Because that weakens their chances of getting her found guilty on a higher charge. You know what I'm saying? Because when the jury deliberate and they feel like that they can't get her on certain things, they'll go for the lesser charge just to get her on something. And we don't want that. Yes, Tiffany, that right there. Yeah, hold on. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. But y'all, child, I am excited. I am getting ready, y'all. I am getting ready. Hold on, guys. Ooh, I'm finna get there so I can get me. I'm trying to hold on. Oh, damn. I'm trying to get me a parking spot up close and personal, about a meter right across the street from the goddamn courthouse, because last time I had to park like 2 blocks away. Like 2 or 3 blocks away. I ain't mad because, you know, it is what it is. But if I can get a closer spot, that's what I'm finna do. I'm moving around, y'all. Yes, I'm making some noise. I'm moving around because I'm trying to get up out of here. Yes, yes, yes. I can't believe y'all up this early. Everybody must be getting ready for work and stuff. I'm taking my little notebook today. Thank you, April. I will. T-Real said, thank you, Tiffany. No, T-Real said, Tiffany, exactly. Yeah, that's what I was saying over there on Miss D panel yesterday. Because when you look her up, you know, that's what I was saying over there. Like when you look her up, it's only 1 first degree on her that is showing as a charge. And the other ones, that's what I was saying. Like it's only 1 first degree charge. The other ones is just like Miss Upper said, just attachments. So if that fails, they got these other ones that they can come back for. Good morning, Larissa. Hey, girl. You at work, T-Real? Have a blessed day at work, guys. I'm at work. I'm finna go to Chicago. True blessings. Good morning, Cole. Peace and everyone. I pray that Carlos is arrested today, too. Listen, y'all. I feel you, true blessings. But guess what? We got to get what we can get right now. And that's Holly ass. Hell, I keep telling y'all, they gonna come get him in the long run. They want the big fish. They want Holly right now for Romika. They want her. And then thank you, how you say it, Nakia? Thank you. And then they watching Carlos though. Y'all best to believe that. And I've been steady telling y'all they is watching him really, really close. And then they gonna come back and snatch his ass up. That's what they gonna do. They gonna, and he think he okay sitting out here talking. Yes, Holly is cooked. I've been telling y'all, rotisserie motherfucking turkey. Since that bitch wanted, I ain't gonna say bitch, but since she wanted to sit there and be all on her high horse for Thanksgiving and do all these goddamn, her name is rotisserie turkey, goddamn it. Want to wear matching outfits and shit, and then talking about Christmas photos. Yeah, look where you sitting in now, Miss Turkey. We ain't got time to be playing with her. I ain't got time to be playing with none of them. Child, I am so excited. Y'all just don't understand. See how this go today. I want to see if she gonna come up in here smiling and that little smirk she did last time. I want to see how she gonna react today. Cause that was insane, guys. Tab say it's going to be waiting on him if he shows up to courthouse today. But you know what, Tab? I believe he gonna show up. I just know he is. He's a fucking narcissist. Like he don't care. He don't care what nobody think about him. He don't care what He don't care if he got to get his ass beat a million times. He's showing up. KP, it was a paid parking right over there by Popeye's Chicken. I seen Popeye's Chicken, and where on the street, because I see all the meters and stuff, but I ain't see nowhere I can park. Like just randomly park. She might smirk again. She doesn't care. It will not be a smirk. Hey, she's a fucking narcissist too. She might smirk. I bet she won't be smiling today in court today. We'll see. If you get a chance to talk to her mom or her aunt, tell her I give her hugs from Mama Nebraska. We praying for it. If okay, I will, Rayman. But literally, I don't even be worried about like talking to the family or nothing like that, because I ain't on no clout chase type of thing. I'm trying to like really report the news and stuff like that. So I don't be all into that. If they speak to me, I speak to them. If it happens, it happens. But baby, I'm here to report the real news. I want to get to the bottom of this case, because these motherfuckers was downright wrong what they did to Ramika. Nothing but the devil. On the side of Popeyes, Larissa, listen. I literally went into Popeyes and I was about to try to park up, but I'm trying to figure out why would they put a Popeyes right there that's that motherfucking tiny. You can't get up in there and do nothing. Now that the boy coming, unless the last time the sheriffs told him. Wishing you divine protection and guidance on your journey. Thank you, Bobby. He may come unless the sheriff's okay. They have a parking lot where you can pay to park. They protect your car as well. It's on the south side of California. I wonder, is that the one that I seen? I'm gonna see y'all, because today I'm trying to really be on my shit. Hold on, y'all. I'm finna brush my teeth real quick. I'm gonna mute it for a minute. Y'all don't need to hear me brushing my teeth. Hold on. Okay, I'm back, y'all. Oh, I feel so fresh and so clean. Child. Whew. I can't wait, y'all. I'm trying to see what's gonna happen in court. Shit. I'm trying to be sitting right where I was sitting last time. I had a good view of everything. Um Hold on, y'all, real quick. Hold on. Give me 1 second. H Fisher, you said, am I gone? No, I'm getting ready to leave. I'm getting ready right now. Y'all, it don't I drive pretty good on the highway, so it really don't really take me long when I be driving, but that's our little secret. Hold on, y'all. Can y'all hear me? Larissa, I'm gonna try to find parking. But if I wherever I can get some parking at, whether I gotta pay for it or not, that's what I'm gonna do. I am excited and can't wait for the judge to throw the book at Holly. Yeah, we got a minute for that, true blessings. We still going through the motions. Sending peace and great energy. Thank you, LaShonda. Yes, court start at 9 a.m. Ooh, I'm about to get up out of here. Child. Let me show y'all what I was talking, what I have found, what I was real quick, y'all. Hold on. Okay, so this is what I was reading. Hold on. Give me 1 second. Okay, so it says a true bill comes before formal charges are officially filed in court. It's the grand jury's decision that there's enough evidence, probable cause to issue an indictment, which then allows the prosecution to file those formal criminal charges and move the case forward. Y'all get what I'm saying about those was made in order to get the indictment done and to be able to charge her with something. Here's the typical sequence of this investigation. Police investigate a suspect crime. Grand jury. The prosecutor presents evidence to the grand jury. True bill. If the grand jury agrees there's probable cause, they issue a true bill, which is the formal indictment. Formal charges filed. The true bill enables the prosecutor to file the official criminal charges with the court. The defendant appears in court to hear the charges and enter a plea. And that's what she said. She is fucking pleading self-defense. Hold on, guys. I'm putting it back on there. Good morning. Drive safely. Thank you. 5K Creations. Safe travels. Thank you, Larissa. Philly girl. Thank you. Copies. I seen pictures of Miss Erica. I read it. She looks mean in the face. She look mean and she don't look mean. You know how you can have that in-between look? That's what you could tell she don't fucking play. This is just another step closer to justice for Ramika and her family. Yes, Melinda. Yes. We ain't gonna jump ahead of ourselves. We taking it day by day, court by court. Shit. Get these motherfuckers where they need to be. Thank you, how you say it, Demetrius? Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. Mm. Ooh, that's about to make me sneeze. Okay, I got one more thing to do. Y'all, let me. Have your head on a swivel? They seem ruthless. Baby, listen. I ain't finna play. I don't play with people. Yes, I have pink on, Philly girl. I have pink on. What else to do? That just made me lose my train of thought. Oh, okay. Child, I do not play. Show don't. It says justice for Ramika and Amir and the Blackman family and McMillan family and her stepdad. Yes, Tay Ebony. I guess I'll wear pink scrubs to work today. Yes, do that, Tiffany. It's Ramika Day. Every day is Ramika Day for us, but court day is really Ramika's day. Yes. Damn these people. Okay, let me see. Make sure I got everything. What y'all say? I guess Michael Clancy is the judge from 308. We in courtroom 101 though, right? Yeah. I have on pink scrubs now. And nurses have to wear maroon. I'm wearing my pink today on my way to work. Yes, y'all. Put that pink on, Bookie. It's up. and it's stuck. I'll make sure I got all my stuff. Morning, Sister Cindy Brenda's for California. Watch your surroundings. Thank you, Brenda. I always watch my surroundings. No, I just told you where to go. Okay, I'm not taking this. Put that up. Yes, Mia. It's at 9. Court is at 9. Oh, I know what I was gonna do before I forget. Hold on. Tiffany, that would make a favorite color. Let me know when you're done in there, okay? I guess I'll talk to y'all for a minute because my daughter in the bathroom. Yeah, y'all, man, this is, I'm so excited because what? So the rumors can like simmer down a little bit, the false narratives and rumors. You know what I'm saying? Like today is a step closer to more information that we get regarding her charges, her being staying locked up and everything. So the rumors on the other side can just simmer the fuck down. But then they just still gonna go with the false narratives, and people that's following them false narratives that's insane, bro. That's insane. I just want them to shut the hell up. Brenda say, wondering if Holly gonna be smiling today. That's what I said. I want to see if she gonna have that smirk, that little smirk on her face that she had. Cause child, I could have motherfucking leaped across the goddamn room on her ass when I seen that. At Tiffany, it's going well. I'm waiting to get off work and stalk YouTube content creators about the hearing. Philly girl on it. Erica Reddick is the presiding judge over the criminal division. She assigned the case to Judge Clancy. They say he is the trial judge, right? Let's get it. Cold piece of chat. Hey, doctor. Good morning. Yes, I am up getting ready to get up out of here. So y'all won't hear from me again until I make it there or after court, depending on what time I make it there and find parking. So yeah, child. I am so excited. So excited. I want the Holly supporters to just sit this one out. They need to just sit down somewhere. What you looking for? Oh. Mm-hmm. Don't forget to let me know when you're done. ASAP. Hold on, guys. At Philly Girl, I feel you. I'm gonna be at work with an earbud on. Why do you never listen to me? Who at TLC? Who you talking to? What did you tell? You talking to me? What did you tell me? Let me go back. Cause I just told you where to go. Hold on, let me go see. Cause I've been moving around. Now we're watching the comments. What you talking about? Safe travels and bring back the juicy tea. Jackie, y'all know I am. I'm giving y'all all the whatever I catch in court is what I'm going to give you guys. Like whatever I'm listening hard. I want to hear everything. What to say? I know, right? I'm going to be tired as fuck trying to go back in work tonight. I am so sick of Gary Coleman and Greyhound for keep lying on Ramika. If y'all can change our profile picture for something pink for today, let's show solidarity. Yes, that'll be good. I ain't gonna be able to do it yet, y'all, because I am busy. So KP's her smiling in court wasn't a rumor. I be trying to keep up. It's so many. I was the one that came and told y'all she was smirking in court. It wasn't like a smile. You know how it's a half smile, like a smirk. That's what that was. And I wasn't feeling it at all. But people were saying like she was like actually smiling, laughing. And I was like, where the fuck that come from? No. In room 308 at TLC. Okay, thank you. Cause why? Okay, can you tell me why is it room 308 now? Since the lawyer seems to be so cool with Carlos, she told him about the charges and he started that fight to make sure he didn't have to come today. You think so? Thank you, TLC, for that. Hey, Doc. Good morning to you. How are you doing? Why did they move it to 308? Oh, okay. Tay Ebony said 101. Who the hell? I'm going to both rooms. I know. Because it'd be a guy that's right this signing people in anyway. I'm going to go to both. Because, and they tell you who's being seen in what courtroom. So it don't matter. I found it. I am Philly girl. I ain't no damn fool now. I'm gonna walk around that whole motherfucker. Good morning. Did y'all see the paralegal say Ari is no longer Holly's lead attorney? I don't know about that, but I'll let y'all know today. Yes, Lakeisha, today is the day. I was thinking maybe she picked somebody up on the case with her, that she didn't drop off the case. At TLC say, I know. What? Oh, I know who you is now. Cause I'm like, wait, who is this? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I know. Yeah. Okay. Girl, I was like, wait, 308. This ain't nobody that's trying to trick me, right? But I know who you is. And I'm sure you about do know. Room 308. I gotta remember that. Change your profile pink for today. Whoever her attorney is, she ain't coming home. Brenda, that part, because I don't even give a damn who her attorney is. I never did. Like, really? Because the charge is the charge. She wouldn't be in there if they didn't think that they didn't have something on her. Hey, DeMarcus, good morning to you. How are you doing? Holly can have 10 lawyers. She's still not getting out. And that's what I've been trying to tell y'all this whole time, while people been paranoid about her possibly getting out today. That's not going to happen. At least in my opinion, it's not going to happen. Y'all, I'm about to leave in a minute. I'm waiting on my daughter to come out this damn bathroom so I could make sure my hair fixed up right. Because when I went to sleep, baby, I ain't wrapped nothing up, didn't do nothing. Hurry up, curl up. You gonna yeah, y'all, I'm excited. It's gonna be crazy on YouTube today. So if y'all gotta work, baby, y'all better if y'all can't have headphones at work, y'all better sneak and goddamn put something in your ear. I don't know, but it's gonna be crazy on YouTube today. Not happening. Leave her ass chained up. Yes, Sweet Berry, that part. Yes, she ain't think she would never be locked up for something like this with a dumb ass. Like, this is insane to even do this. Like, what was you thinking? I bet you she been in there thinking long and hard about September 8th, whether it's regret or not. No other attorneys are entered on file but Ari. This is what TLC, that's what I've been steady telling people. I don't think she got a new lawyer. Whoever put that out, I don't know who put it out, but I didn't think that she had a new lawyer. I thought maybe she picked up that girl that I showed y'all as somebody to work with her on the case because she's done it before and they won one together. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know, but people don't be listening to me, so I just give my opinion and going on about my business. Thanks, Code Peace Protection, for your coming and going. Thank you, Doctor. I appreciate that. Dip of home. By the time y'all leave court, Holly is going to be biting chalkboards and licking floor mats. That attorney bit off. Hold on, shit, I lost it. Bit off more than she could chew. I think so too. Thanks, Sister Cole. Peace. You're welcome, Tiffany Harris. Safe travels. We'll be waiting on you. Thank you, Brenda. Today will be about text messages between Carlos and Ramika the morning of 9/8, per the paperwork that the paralegal said. No, DeMarcus, I don't know that. I don't believe that. We ain't even made it to that part yet. That's during that. That'll be if it go to trial and stuff like that, wouldn't it? We're not even there yet. I don't know, but that's just my opinion. I have my alarm set to wake up at 12 p.m. Okay, Philly girl. She will never be getting out no time soon. Don't know the charge or how long, but that ass gonna do the time. Yes, sweet bear. She first degree. Divine, you was thinking the same thing. What? Thank you, True Blessings. Them, I don't have any headphones or nothing. Thanks to my kids. Now, Larissa. Now you knew you should have went to Dollar Tree or Dollar General and snatched up a little cheap pair just for today. Good morning, Co-Peace. I pray that God will continue to. Thank you. Ari filed motion to seal records from the public. That's something that she'll do at DeMarcus. That's trial information they will not read. I'm Philly girl. Thank you. I keep telling people we are not at that point right now where they bringing out what evidence they got on this girl. We're not there yet. Thank you, Lakeisha. I drive safe. This is just status hearing to make sure everyone is prepared. Yes, and make sure all their motions are in and stuff like that. I don't know. I'll be trying to tell y'all. H. Fisher. Today is just basically making sure they got all their motions in, whatever motions that they filed. The lawyers is gonna see if the judge received everything that they got, all that type of stuff. I ain't no text messages or nothing finna be read. Yes, a status hearing. All this is just hearing for everyone to be prepared and set. Yes. 2 motions will be heard today and the 6 counts of the first degree murder charges. Listen, child. I think y'all just be coming to listen to me talking and don't take what I be saying. Hold on. Okay, I finally get to get in the bathroom. It'll be acting like it ain't two bathrooms in here. This is my bathroom, but it don't seem like it no more. I believe she paired with the other lawyer thinking. That's what I'm saying, y'all. That lawyer, do y'all remember that lawyer I just showed on the screen? I think she paired with her because she got her own law firm. She got her own law firm, and they allegedly won a case before together when Ari picked her up. And I think that's what she did this time. But she ain't dropped off no case. Ain't no new lawyer taking over. Now, after this hearing, the prosecution can offer a plea if both sides are ready for trial. 9/10, no offer will be set. And I'm sure her attorney will ask for her to be released on ankle monitor. She's been asking for that, Brenda, but that's not going to happen. They said Miss Tina's statements attorney doesn't play. Lift up the state attorneys, prosecution team, judge, and every clerk in the courtroom. Lord, it is an arraignment hearing and hearing of 2 motions. Yes, TLC. That's what it is. It's a hearing for. It's basically she's still going through the process of arraignments and stuff, and judge accepting motions and the lawyer and prosecutors put motions in. Tiffany says she got her earbuds charged. And Brenda, this is the same judge from the last hearing. Yeah, it is the same judge because people say it's no, that's what I'm saying. I'm just gonna wait till I get there. It's like they saying it's a different lawyer. It's the trial judge that's seeing today, but from when I was in court last time, it was gonna be the same judge from that day. So I don't know. I just be letting y'all talk and say, but I'll let y'all know. It's a different judge. Okay, the trial judge. You said. At Brenda, this the same judge from the last hearing. We gonna see. I'm about to. What time is it? 5:48. What everybody doing right now? Some people at work, some people sitting at home just waiting. Melinda, right? It don't matter who represent her at this point. Murder is murder, and that girl literally murdered Meeks. Ain't no ifs, ands, or buts about it. This ain't no damn self-defense. It never was. But you still got people saying it is. I'm going to be on here a few more minutes, then I'm about to get out of here. Child. I got to do something different to my hair because I'm looking like a little kid right now. I look like a little girl. Little girl. Hold on. How do these people... Hold on. I'm reading something I missed. Yeah. I'm at work. Can't wait to get home. How do these people know what's going on in court? Do they work there? From paperwork. Who said that? Brenda. Some of the paperwork, they go off the paperwork that they get from the courts. Some people get it right, some don't. It's still going to be in courtroom 101. They transfer it to the courtroom 308. How is it still in Larissa? Now explain that. How is it still in courtroom 101 being transferred to the courtroom? Oh, you said it wasn't, but you put still. Brenda, no. Like, if you know how to get the paperwork, you can. But if they seal it, like somebody said in here that Ari is requesting for the paperwork to be sealed from the public, then you can't get it. But if you know how to get paperwork, you can. And guess what, y'all? I'm about to start having the paperwork too. Show Liz, get my own shit. Quadisha Johnson, the state of Illinois hereby detains you to be held in Cook County Jail until your next court date, March 8, 2026. Those are the words I want to hear. Tiger. Why the date March 8th though? I wish Ramika co-workers could testify in court for Ramika. But that's Tay Ebony, you never know. They might, if it comes to that where they have to have what's his damn name? Carlos being prosecuted for her too, then they just might. Because they got to establish like a history of him being violent towards her and all these things, you know? But that's only at a trial though. Okay, let me see. Who is Sierra at ATF? Who is Sierra? Who? Oh, yeah, that's the other lawyer. Yeah, that's the lawyer I was talking to y'all about that Ari might pick up to help on this case with her. If that was a thing, because people were saying that Holly got a new lawyer. And I was like, I ain't heard nothing about her having no new lawyer. If anything, she probably picked up that Sierra chick to help her on this case because they worked together before. Ari picked her up before on the case. The truth shines light. Okay, I wish they would get it right. All these different stories. Brenda, you're going to forever hear a lot of different stories when it comes to this case. Because I've been hearing, I don't even, listen. The longer the better. Just so they'll see this. Ari Alton co-counsels with her and uses her private investigation. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, TLC. I want to do some investigating on that. Yep. They work together. They be doing some, and they got tactics that they use too. I told y'all that in order to stall, in order to get their clients off, what they do, they be on real hard, real stern on getting these speedy trials, trying to hurry up and make it seem like the prosecution ain't on their business and ain't moving fast enough and try to get shit thrown out. That's how they get a lot of their cases thrown out. Trust me. They got their little tactics they use. Holly family have that type of money because it's very pricey for a lawyer to fight first degree. Passed in 2012, Clancy. This year, the CCL rated Clancy qualified, but cited his history this past year of ordering and imposing money bond more often. Oh, okay. Judge Costello remains the presiding judge for the case. No, it's not no Zoom. If whoever asks, is it Zoom? It's not no Zoom. Hold on, what you said? The longer, the better. Okay, I seen that. Holly family have that type of. I seen that. KP email me your number, please. Okay. When I get off of here, I will TLC. That's Carlos' scheme money that paid for that lawyer. If it is, that's another problem. Y'all that are going to court today, please be safe and calm. We will prevail. Yes, 1004. Romika posted that Carlos and Holly order protected against both of them and Romika attorney. That's all they do. That's why I said, are we never outright won no trial? Exactly, Brenda. Mm-hmm. Good morning, Sharita. That's Carlos. Okay. Judge Eric. Okay. Y'all, I'm about to get off of here so I could take off. But TLC, I'm going to email you my number. Cause thank you, Philly girl. I appreciate that. Thank you, everybody that says safe travels and stuff like that. And don't worry, my head stay on the swivel, baby. I don't get caught slipping. See you in a few too, TLC. And hopefully, yeah. Hold on, yeah. Baby, I gotta make sure I'm prepared. I gotta stop to get something to eat before I get on this highway. Got this, got that. I got my second phone with me, guys. I left my second phone last time. Reason why I couldn't be on live and talk to y'all while I was trying to find the goddamn highway. I was not prepared, but guess what? I'm prepared today, and I know how it works up there as far as this courthouse and stuff. So I'm taking my phone in and I'm checking it in today. So as soon as I come out the courtroom, I can be able to go live right there. I don't have to wait to walk to my damn car to be able to go live with y'all. Got my pen, got my notebook. Got my little sidekick with me. TLC will be safe. My prayers, safe travels. I don't see how some of these defense attorneys can morally take some of these cases. I can't either. Like, it's one thing to be a lawyer and want to fight for people. That's why I said, because I ain't gonna lie, it was a time where I said I wanted to go to school to be an attorney. And I said I'll be a prosecuting attorney because I ain't, no. That's just, I want to prosecute people that I know is done did some shit. I'm not finna represent somebody that I know probably that did something. Because a lot of times those defendants, they have to like literally tell their lawyer if they really did something or didn't do something in order to know how to fight and try to get them off on something that they know these people have done. Like, safe travel, ladies, just as well. All right, y'all. I'm about to get out of here and get on this highway. And I'll let y'all know when I make it. If I got time to go live and let y'all know that I'm there, I will. If not, y'all will hear from me after court. Okay? So, see y'all. I'm out. Bringing the new, saying facts, stay sharp, can we never confuse? From the streets to the world, get the real, no cap. Breaking headlines, put the truth on the map.
Yo, fast with the facts, we don't play no games. Report on what's real, we ain't chasing fact. Call Peace TV, stay locked, stay tuned. If you want the real talk, we deliver it soon. Caught Peace TV, we bringing the news. Facts stay sharp, yeah, we never confused. From the streets to the world, get the real, no cap. Breaking headlines, put the truth on the map. Yo, fast with the facts, we don't play no games. Reporting what's real, we ain't chasing fame. Call Peace TV, stay locked, stay tuned. If you want the real talk, we deliver.